Hi, this is Rudy Escobar. It's about 7:15 Wednesday morning, February 2nd. Here's the snow along the edge of my garage door. It's 21 inches high. That's what we got to compete with today. It's still a little dark out right now, as you can see. The car's not too bad, but it's 21 inches in some spots, maybe even more because of the wind drifts. You can hear no vehicles at all. Nothing. Just the birds. It's real windy, cold. You don't see anything right now. It's just total silence. I mean, you can't make out the depth of the snow because it's so deep. But I got to tackle this thing. It's going to take me probably about 3 hours here. Clean this all up. Get it halfway decent. So I'll take more pictures here as daylight comes. But right now it's about 21 inches along my garage door here. As you can see it, so back away. We'll show you some more here in a little while.